On a moonless night, Sarah woke to the sound of soft whispers in her ear. Her heart pounded as she sat up in bed, straining to listen. The whispers grew louder, forming words she couldn't understand. Trembling, she reached for the light switch, but the bulb flickered and died. In the dim glow of her phone, she saw the reflection of a shadowy figure standing at the foot of her bed. It whispered her name, Sarah. Sarah. Frozen with terror, she watched as it slowly reached out a hand. She bolted from the bed, sprinting down the hall. As she reached the front door, she felt a cold, clammy hand grip her shoulder. Turning around, she came face to face with her own twisted, ghostly reflection. "You can't escape me!" it hissed, pulling her into darkness. The next morning, Sarah's room was empty, the bed neatly made, and the whispers were gone, except for those who dared to listen closely.